broken box fan. Kid knocked it over. The box fan fell over. It broke one of the things off of there. See? Well, first thing you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure it's plugged in. Match up where it's broken. And melt it back together. Owie.
Go! 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 Go!
And to make it extra sturdy, make sure you take the cellophane off of the cigarette pepper pack and melt it.
Go!
And ow. Y'all see what I'm doing here?
Go! Yay! Yay!
Boogie, I'm shooting a video. Boy, entertain them. Quit saying daddy.
Go! Go! Go!
Make sure it's completely cool before you turn it on. Now, moment of truth. Oh, it's still sticky. It's okay. Oh, why is it unplugged?
Because I unplugged it.
Oh, that was gay.
Well, I kept turning it on.
Ow. Make sure you turn it on high so you find out if it works in high mode.
Why not use the fan cover as a shield?
We're good. Now come here, Boogie. Touch this fan since you want to pick up my stuff. Right there. Touch it right over here.
No.
Oh, God.
You might want to get your screwdriver.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. He hand it to you.
Yeah, he's a good boy. Don't put your fingers in there.
He wants to be like Daddy. He probably did that just so you fix it.
Alright, end the video. It's fixed. Put the screws back in it. You're doing.